Kids, are you ready to make some paper craft animal hats? You can make a monkey, a frog, a dinosaur, or a rabbit. Go to BingoBongoKids.com to download all of the templates for the hats. Step 1. Print the outlines on colored paper. Step 2. Cut out the animal shapes and make the face. You can also download and print out a template for the eyes, or you can draw them on yourself. If you print them out, then cut them and glue them onto the animals. You can draw a nose, a mouth, and anything else you want to make a cute animal, a scary animal, a funny animal, or anything you want. Step 3. Link the rubber bands like this. You can use 2 or 3 rubber bands depending on the size of your paper or the size of your head. After that, you can staple the rubber band to the end of the hat. Make sure that the flat side of the staple is on the inside facing the head. And that's it! It's easy to make a cute animal hat. Next, let's try some other kinds of animals. Let's make a monkey. The monkey's ears are made from cupcake papers, and the mouth is made from a yellow piece of paper. So glue on the mouth, glue on the eyes, and draw a mouth. We recommend using 2 sets of rubber bands for the monkey hat because it's a little bit taller than the others. Again, staple the rubber bands to the hat and make sure that the flat side of the staple is on the inside of the hat. Next, you can use a cupcake paper and make an ear. Now we have a cute monkey. Next, let's make a rabbit hat. The rabbit hat is very easy. After you cut out the rabbit hat shape, you can draw ears, eyes, nose, a mouth, and whiskers. Then add the rubber band and you are finished. Last, let's make a dinosaur hat. The dinosaur hat has a few more parts than the other hats. There will be 3 strips of paper. 2 are for the tail and they have a number 1 and 2. Line up the number 1 and number 2 and staple them on the black line. Take the rubber band and put it through the 2 pieces of paper between the staples. Now we will take the headband and staple it to the rubber band. After that, take the top of the tail and staple it to the headband. Now we have the base of the dinosaur hat that we can add spikes to. Okay, to make a spike, first take a piece of paper and fold it like this. Then we will cut and make a spike, but don't cut all the way. We need the little fold to attach the spike. Then we use the staples and attach the spike onto the band like this. You can use many spikes. And you can make bigger spikes or smaller spikes if you want. Just remember that the staples always have the flat side facing the head. We have a dinosaur hat! Get all of these outlines and more at BingoBongoKids.com. You can find the link for the free printouts in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free flashcards, free worksheets, and other free activities on BingoBongoKids.com. We also have a YouTube channel with lots of fun kid songs. Please check it out!